Alright guys, I just wanted to show you that I got some Tekton 12-point sockets in. I don't know how good that's coming in, but I already took them out the box and the little holder thing they come on, the socket rail. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's the 9/16. I wish the quarter set would go up to 5/8. I don't know why they don't. And it also goes down to 5/32, which don't have a spot on the rail for that, so whatever. That's the standard set. And I also have the metric set. I don't know if you can see that or not. This is the 15. They're pretty nice. Hopefully I'll get to use them. Like I said, it was just mainly filling up empty spots, getting sockets back that I got rid of. Now I will say on this set here, it came with the 1/4 inch was missing. It came with two 9/32. But all I did was email Tekton, and they straightened it out and they sent me a new one, or you know, a 1/4 inch. They said for some reason they think their 9/32 sockets got put in the 1/4 inch bin. But anyway, they sent me the correct one. They told me don't worry about sending them the extra 9/32 socket. So that's pretty cool of them. Anyway, let me see if I can set this in here with one hand here. And that's spilling them all out. There they are. Let's see if I can get these down in here where they go, the metric set. I also got the 3/8 drive Tekton set in metric. This is the 12mm. They go from 6 all the way to, which the rail only goes to 20, but the sockets actually go all the way to 24. That's pretty cool. So I just set them over there, those 4 there. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that I'm getting them filled in slowly but surely. I still got a few empty spots that I still got to fill in. Some over there that I need to fill in, but I'm getting there. That's what happens when you try to help somebody. You know, they don't return the favor, but not that I'm meaning they need to give me sockets, but I'm just saying I sold stuff to give them money. But anyway, just wanted to let y'all see that. I told you I was going to buy some Tekton stuff, and I did, and I'm happy with the price and the quality so far. Anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll get notified when I put out a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.